this year everything is completely different from earlier. So obviously the paper patterns of classes 9 to 12 are also going to be different. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So actually in this video we are going to discuss about the question paper of class 12. As you have seen that in my previous video I have uploaded means in that I have decoded the sample paper of session 2021. There you can check in detail. I have told you about your new paper pattern. So now the question arises, means many of you must be thinking ki this year English paper of class 12 will be easy or difficult, because there are many changes. So before I answer you this question whether the paper will be easy or difficult, let me tell you what is different this year in your paper. Then you can yourself assume, then yourself you can come to know whether your paper will be easy or difficult. So the first major change this year is that there are 40 marks MCQs in your paper. Means earlier in English there were no MCQs, but this year there will be 50% of your paper will be MCQs. So you must be thinking ki it is a good thing, but let me complete this video. In this video I'll tell you whether this is a good thing or not. Second thing is that earlier from chapters extracts were not there. This year extracts will also be added. Third thing is that earlier actually there were no questions, long questions from poetry, but this year there may be long questions from poetry also. Fourth thing is that earlier invitations and replies, that is completely a new topic for class 12. That was not compulsory, that was optional, but from this year it will be compulsory. The thing is that for last 3-4 years back report writing was removed, but now it has been re-added. So these are the changes which have been included by the CBSE in its latest sample paper. Now you must be wondering कि ये changes आपके लिए अच्छे हैं या बुरे हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो ये बता देते हैं कि आपको जो भी मैं बता रही हूँ उसमें डराने का पर्पस नहीं है, पर्पस है आपको अवेयर करने का, so that you should be aware right at the proper time before it gets too late. Already it is late, but I think being a teacher of English for last 17 years and being an evaluator of CBSE, I know ki where are you people lacking and what should be done now. And before I tell you whether your paper of English will be easy or difficult, let me make an announcement also that I have started crash courses for class English and apart from English also other subjects also. So if means English will be taken by me only and other subjects will be taken by other subject experts. So if any of you are interested, if you are interested to take crash courses of English from me for classes 9 to 12, you can just click on the link that is provided in the description box and we will contact you for your details. Means the crash fees of this crash course will be very reasonable, keeping this COVID situation in mind. Moreover, if you are our subscribers, then you may avail up to 50% discount, and if you are belonging to EWS category, then also there will be some discounts for you. So you can click on the link and send your details. So now we will move on to our question ki whether the paper of class 12 will be easy or difficult. So now we will start from the first thing ki MCQs are there. So many of you must be thinking ki MCQ का तो मतलब है कि cheating, easy paper, this and that. But actually MCQs will make your paper more difficult. Why? Because earlier there was note making, now note making is not there. Now there are MCQs of 20 marks from unseen passages. So what will happen? Because of these MCQs, your paper will get lengthier. Yes, because if you have to tick on an MCQ, definitely you have to be confirmed about your answer. You will have to read the passage again and again. पहले क्या होता था कि आपको एक लाइन में दिख रहा है कि ये आंसर है, आप उसको एज इट इज टेप देते थे, आपको मार्क्स भी मिल जाते थे. बट MCQ मीन्स राइट तो राइट, रॉन्ग तो रॉन्ग. So this thing will make your paper lengthy. So this is one thing. And apart from that, in your literature also MCQs will be there. So for that you will have to study the chapters in depth. कि ऊपर ऊपर से सिर्फ स्टोरी जान लेने से अब आपका काम नहीं चलेगा, आपको चैप्टर को अंदर से अच्छे से खोल खोल के पढ़ना पड़ेगा। तो उसी की तैयारी हम अपने क्रैश कोर्स में करवा रहे हैं। मैं उसका एक डेमो वीडियो भी डाल दूंगी ताकि आप लोगों को पता चल जाए कि हम क्रैश कोर्स किस तरह से करवाते हैं और उसका आपको क्या बेनिफिट होने वाला है। तो आपका पेपर लेंदी होगा प्लस डेप्थ में होगा, तो आपको लिटरेचर भी अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा। अब आ जाते हैं हम अपनी अगली बात पे कि अगर इन्विटेशंस एंड रिप्लाईज आर मेड कंपल्सरी देन व्हाट विल हैपन। कि पहले क्या होता था, इन्विटेशन का जो टॉपिक है, एक तो वो 12th क्लास के बच्चों के लिए बिल्कुल न्यू टॉपिक है, उन्होंने वो पहले कभी नहीं किया है। दूसरी बात यह है कि वो बहुत ही डिटेल्ड टॉपिक है, उसमें मीन्स कई तरह के फॉर्मेट्स होते हैं, तो वो अब आपके लिए कंपल्सरी है। मीन्स पहले क्या होता था कि हम बच्चों को बोल देते थे कि अगर ऑप्शन में इन्विटेशन एंड रिप्लाईज आए तो उसको छोड़ देना, दूसरा ऑप्शन कर लेना, मीन्स नोटिस या पोस्टर कर लेना। अब सबसे बड़ी बात है कि पोस्टर तो है ही नहीं इस बार, और नोटिस और एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑप्शन में आएगा, बट इन्विटेशन एंड रिप्लाईज दोनों ऑप्शन में सेम होगा। मीन्स दोनों में ही इन्विटेशन और रिप्लाईज होंगे, और वो एक बहुत ही माइंड बॉगलिंग टॉपिक है जिसमें आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बच्चे। But don't worry, if you will join our crash course, we will do enough practice for that also. So that will also make your English paper bit difficult. Another thing is that earlier there were no extracts asked from the literature. So this year extracts will be there. For that also you will have to be thoroughly prepared, because there you will be asked questions on word meanings also and questions on फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच ऑल्सो। कि ये जो होती हैं ये बिल्कुल आपकी जो यू कैन से कि वीक पॉइंट्स होते हैं, जिसमें बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच में तो सिमिली और मेटाफर में ही डिफरेंस नहीं पता होगा आपको। तो बट डोंट वरी, वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू ऑल। सो I think now you have understood this thing, that this year your paper of class 12th English is definitely going to be difficult. So be prepared for that. Start preparing right now, because November is coming and it is already very late. November तक तो syllabus complete हो जाता है, but I think this year everything is completely different. So instead of getting worried, just start preparing for your exams. And if you are interested in crash courses from our academy, you can send your details in the description box. One link is provided, so you can there, and you subscribe to the channel also, means there also here here also we will be providing you complete support and guidance related to English and other educational news also.